Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Benjamin helping me. We're gonna do a little toddler meal prepping and he's having some snacks as well, I guess. So we're gonna make some mini pizzas. These are really easy, great to get the kids involved in cooking. Benjamin loves cooking his own food. So we're gonna make a big batch of these and we're gonna store them actually in the freezer. So they're ready to go for any time. They're great for lunches, dinners, perfect to put in the boys' lunch containers for preschool. So we're gonna make these up, these little mini pepperoni pizzas. What are our ingredients, bud?
We have pepperoni, mozzarella cheese. We have pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, muffins.
And some English muffins.
And some English muffins.
Yes. So this is gonna make a big batch. So easy, like we said, really great freezer-friendly recipe and super fun to make these with the kids. You can add some other ingredients, sliced olives, bell peppers, onion, mushroom, anything you want. But the boys, they just like simple pepperoni. So that's what we're gonna make a big batch of today. All right, we'll get these going.
Time for pepperoni. I'll put how many I want. I'll put how many I want on here. I'll put how many I want on here. There, that's done. That looks pretty good. Now I need to move over. One more pepperoni. That's just gonna be a chip. Okay, they're ready for the oven. So those go first.
All right, so the mini pizzas are done. I'm gonna let them cool and then I'm going to place the cookie sheet in the freezer and I'm gonna let these freeze all individually, and then once they're frozen for a couple hours, then I'll portion them all into individual baggies so that they're ready to go and they won't stick together. So we're gonna cool these and then freeze them and then they'll be packaged and ready to go. So I really like to reheat these in the air fryer. It gives the crust a nice crispiness to it. Really great in the microwave as well. So these will be ready to go. I hope that you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more meal prepping ideas and also some toddler meal prepping as well. I hope that you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.